Looking for the best action cameras? I've tested the top 5 models to help you capture your adventures in stunning quality. Let's dive in. Number 5. GoPro HERO. The GoPro HERO kicks things off as a solid budget-friendly option that delivers reliable action camera performance without breaking the bank. If you want GoPro quality at an accessible price, this deserves your attention. With 4K video recording and solid image stabilization, it handles most action scenarios well. The waterproof design works great for swimming and water sports, while the simple interface makes it easy to start recording quickly without fumbling through menus. What sets it apart is the proven GoPro ecosystem with tons of mounting options and accessories available everywhere. The battery life is decent for a full day of casual filming, and the footage looks clean in good lighting conditions. Where it shines. Affordable GoPro quality, easy to use, waterproof without a case, and wide accessory compatibility. Where it falls short. Limited advanced features and performance drops in low light compared to premium models. Who's it for? Budget-conscious adventurers or first-time action camera buyers wanting reliable GoPro performance. Bottom line, the GoPro HERO offers solid value with dependable performance for everyday action filming. Number 4. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, a powerful camera that balances performance and features perfectly for serious content creators who need professional results. Thanks to impressive low-light performance and excellent stabilization, you get smooth footage even in challenging conditions. The dual screens make framing easy, whether you're filming yourself or the action ahead, while the long battery life keeps you recording throughout extended adventures. The magnetic mounting system changes the game for quick camera swaps between different angles and activities. The color science produces vibrant footage straight out of camera, and the rugged build handles tough conditions without worry. What really sets this apart is the balance of image quality and usability that doesn't overwhelm you with complexity. You get professional features while maintaining intuitive operation that keeps you focused on the action. Where it shines. Excellent low light capability, magnetic mounting convenience, long battery life, and great image quality. Where it falls short. Slightly bulkier than some competitors. Who's it for? Serious adventure filmers and content creators wanting professional quality with convenient features. Bottom line, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro delivers professional-grade performance with user-friendly operation for demanding creators. Number 3. Insta360 Ace Pro 2. An innovative camera built for creators who want AI-powered features without sacrificing traditional action camera capabilities. What sets it apart is the flip-up screen that makes vlogging incredibly easy, combined with AI editing features that automatically create highlight reels from your footage. You get excellent 8K video quality with impressive stabilization that keeps everything smooth. The build quality is premium, with a rugged design that handles extreme conditions. The AI assistant helps you find the best shots quickly, while the powerful processor ensures smooth operation even with complex features enabled. One standout feature is how it balances cutting-edge AI capabilities with straightforward manual controls when you want full creative control. The footage quality rivals much more expensive cameras. Where it shines. Flip screen for vlogging, AI editing assistance, excellent 8K video, and intuitive interface. Where it falls short. Battery drains faster, with AI features active. Who's it for? Vloggers and content creators who want AI-powered convenience with professional image quality. Bottom line, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 brings innovative AI features to action filming without compromising on quality. If this helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell. More honest action camera reviews are coming your way. All the cameras in this list are linked in the description below. Number 2. Insta360 X5. A smart 360-degree camera that redefines creative possibilities with its innovative capture-everything approach. Unlike traditional action cameras, the X5 records in all directions simultaneously, letting you choose your framing after filming. The 8K 360 video captures stunning detail, while the invisible selfie stick effect creates mind-bending perspectives that look impossible. One standout feature is the reframing capability that turns one shoot into unlimited angles and perspectives. The stabilization is incredible, and the easy editing app makes creating professional-looking content simple. The X5 includes proven Insta360 reliability with waterproof construction that handles adventure filming. You get creative freedom that traditional cameras can't match, making unique content effortless. Where it shines: 360-degree capture flexibility, incredible stabilization, creative reframing options, and unique perspectives. Where it falls short: larger file sizes and steeper learning curve than traditional cameras. Who's it for? Creative filmmakers and adventurers wanting unique perspectives and maximum shooting flexibility. Bottom line: the Insta360 X5 delivers revolutionary creative freedom with 360-degree capture that transforms how you film adventures. And finally, my number one pick, DJI Osmo Action 6, the ultimate action camera that combines cutting-edge technology with exceptional performance for serious creators. What sets the Action 6 apart is its incredible 10-bit 4K video at high frame rates that captures stunning detail and color. The advanced stabilization keeps footage smooth even during extreme activities, while the impressive battery life handles full-day filming sessions. Smart engineering shines through with the magnetic quick-release system and dual screens that make operation effortless. The low-light performance is outstanding, capturing clean footage when other cameras struggle. Professional features include advanced color profiles and comprehensive manual controls. The refined construction features premium materials and professional-grade reliability. You get comprehensive connectivity and the most advanced sensor technology available in action cameras today. Where it shines: exceptional video quality, advanced stabilization, professional features, and outstanding low-light performance. Where it falls short: premium pricing. Who's it for? Professional creators and serious enthusiasts wanting the absolute best action camera performance available. Bottom line: the DJI Osmo Action 6 is the complete package, the ultimate action camera for creators who demand perfection. There you have it, the best action cameras available today. Each brings something unique to capturing your adventures. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching.